In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TedTalk to come up with product ideas, SaaS ideas, and even content idea. All right, let's get started. Let's go to TedTalk, and what I like to do is search for keywords. If you're not sure what to search up, just go to these general AI directories. So I like to use there is an AI for that. You're scrolling through an entire front page and you're just trying to find keywords. So let's see this one here, which is like AI therapist, right? So you would just copy and paste the keyword and put it into TedTalk. It'll bring up all the top posts. This is really good because it not only tells you the products on the market right now, but it also gives you a lot of content ideas, especially what type of content already works and the type of hooks that are working. This person got 20,000 views for this app called Care, right? So this is one product idea. And you scroll through and like try to see the videos that got a lot of views. So you just keep scrolling through, and this one got 70,000 views, which is this unique animation style. So that's something you can try to copy or improve on. And then it also gives you a lot of information on the type of angles that these content are producing. What I mean by angle is what type of content type it is. Let's say instead of just AI therapists for doctors, you can maybe find like AI therapists for students, for teachers, for people that are working in tech. So it's like different people that would consume this content. You can just scroll through and see who is the video targeting. Let's do another example. So let's go through and see this one here. So the keyword would be AI content detector. So you search that in TikTok and let's see what results it gives us. This person got 3,000 views. This person got over 200,000 views. They're promoting this tool called Stealth GPT. Just watch the first 30 seconds. So this is the hook that you can copy for your own TikTok video. So that's content idea. And then this person, do not copy and paste answers from ChatGPT. This is like the hook. And then this is the product they're promoting, this site here. So it just gives you a lot of content idea. And you don't need any idea to start with. Just browse through the AI directory and just look for keywords: AI ebooks, Excel master, AI product design. So this is probably a great keyword as well. So just search AI product design. And the great thing about all this is that it's free. So you don't need to pay any software or anything to do it. You just need to invest a few hours and just find winning products and winning hooks, and you can basically create a better product or just do better marketing. This one here, this is Canva-like AI product photo generator, right? So they have a product which is creating ads for e-com sites. So this is one potential product. You scroll through, and this person here is creating AI design for Etsy and pod sellers. So this person, even though they're targeting the same idea, which is like AI product design, both people are targeting different personas. So one person is targeting people in e-com, and then this person in particular is targeting people that are doing print on demand. So it's different personas. Even if you have the same product, it's fine because you can just create different content. You guys probably get the idea, but I'll just do one more. And one tip I really like is that you can like scroll to the bottom of the page and just find the really old products, because even though there are newer products, like the old ones are pretty good because maybe like the person made it and they didn't really market it that well. So you can get a lot of inspiration from people that already built the product and maybe they didn't fully execute on it. So this person here is interview helper. So copy and paste the keyword. Sometimes like the keyword might not have the best results. So you would just need to be a little creative and search for better terms. So this one here probably is not that great of a search term. So like you could look at the content idea. So prepare for your interview in only 30 minutes. So that's the hook. And they're not promoting a product, but you could easily promote a product, which is like selling your AI interview helper app, right? So instead of just searching the actual product name, you can search AI interview. Just search that and see the type of results you get. Interviewing has never been easier. So the hook is they're probably using their product to cheat on the interview, and it's probably super funny, right? Like people are like, wow. You can get a lot of content idea from this. Scroll through and you can say, oh, she is cheating for sure. Caught girlfriend cheating in interview with AI, right? So there's so many different content ideas with this. It's like caught friend cheating, caught mom cheating, caught, like just you can get really creative with it. Just find the stuff that's working, because like this person already got like over almost 20,000 views. So this is a proven hook that you can just copy over and over. Yeah, this is a free and easy way. Let me know like if you guys find any good ideas.